Well, good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, August 1st, and we're out in the woods again, obviously. I'm with Dan, and got Dave around here somewhere, and his buddy Frank joined us. Little spot here, a lot of walls. I think there's a depression up there, and this is claimed to be a courtyard in this area, and there's another cellar hole right in that overgrown area. But I've been here 15-20 minutes, and there's my first find of the day. Pretty light. Feels like a two-piece. Got something on it here. Let me get it out in the sunlight. It wasn't very deep, maybe 2 or 3 inches down. I'm gonna switch over and take a look at it in the sunlight here. And here's that nice little button again. Get a better look at it. I got to clean it up, like I said. Camel manger. No idea. Have to figure out what it is. Interesting little piece. Plain back marks. Not made out of anything fancy. I don't know if that's actual button or rosette. Alright, it hasn't been more than maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes. I'm wandering around. These are all little enclosed areas here. Wall there, opening between there that I just came through, and I'm working through some of here. And I got another first. Oh yeah, my first key. Well, besides a modern one. Oh, I love it. Skeleton key. Let's clean it up, take a look at it. Yeah, nice little skeleton key. Got a little bend in it. But it's a bucket lister, and I'll take it. Less than a half an hour of detecting. Alright, I am literally kneeling on the spot that I just got that skeleton key from, and I was getting a real squirrely tone underneath some mineralization or a hot rock. Got the annoying rock out of the way, and underneath it, I see some square. Right in there. Skeeters. Oh my goodness. Shoe buckle frame underneath a mineralized rock. You gotta be kidding me. Let's take a look at it. Just a plain one. But holy crap, I'll take that any day of the week. That's beautiful. We ain't been here much longer than a half an hour. I'm finding stuff. Nice, nice. Well, digging over in that brush there, and I've got a real iffy tone about 6 inches down, and I got chased out by bees. But before I got chased out by the bees, I saw copper. So I'm gonna have to try and recover my detector. You can see them all swarming in there. I might get stung a little bit, but I gotta get my detector back. I'll be back. Well, I'm gonna sneak in here. There's a lot of them. I don't know if you can see it over there, but there's my coin. Alright, I think they've settled down. I don't know where the ground is, the wasp nest is, but I'm gonna sneak in here. There's my shovel. So, there it is right there. I can't, oh, never mind, it's a button. I thought it was a coin. Let's get out of here and look at it. Yeah, that's all I got. It's just a plain button from what I can tell. Just very thick, and even sounds like a coin. Neato. Ring, ring. I'll have to check what it rings up on the VDI. I'm in some highly mineralized ground here, and this one was another one that was just kind of iffy. And then I ran like hell because the bees were after me, so. It's one of those spots coughing up a lot of goodies. I can't wait to keep hitting it. The old ox shoe. I haven't dug too many of those this year. Alright, that last spot we moved on from. It's still coughing up a little bit of goodies, but we have other places we want to check out. That button was the last thing I got. So here's our second stop. Cellar hole is over there. There's a secondary site, maybe a cabin there, and then over in there is going to be the barn, and then there's some fields that work up that way, and fields that kind of head down that way. Standing up here on the cliff taking a look at everybody. I haven't found anything yet. We've been here maybe half an hour, so I'm poking around. This place has obviously been hit before. See what we get. Alright guys, we moved on from spot number 2 there that really wasn't throwing a lot at us. I think Dan got a dandy. And we did some mapping, and we got this little spot here. So you got a little depression here, and that's probably where the fireplace used to be. And I thought there was a hearthstone or a doorstep stone, not sure. But I've been out in this little area over here, and if we wander over that direction, about 8 inches down, here's some rootage. Got myself a plain tomback, if I can get the phone to focus. Just a plain tomback, but I'll take it. She's a keeper. First target here. Very low VDI at 8 inches. I think it was hitting like 10 or 12, but I'm going to dig it. Oh, let's see what else we get from here. I've only been here about 15 minutes. Alright, we moved on from the site that I got that tomback on. It wasn't producing a lot. My buddy Frank over there, he wound up getting, looks like a state copper out of there, Connecticut. Meantime, this little field we're hitting, I got this. Little bits of metal stapled onto leather. I don't know if that's part of a bridle. I have to find out. Hopefully there's more of them. Interesting. Alright guys, I think it's time for a live dig. I got a good decent one. It's jumping around a little bit, but those are the numbers I want to see. So let me get this thing parked and let's see what it is. Well, we did the whole tour. So now we're going to circle back around to this first spot where I got most of my little goodies. I'll give this a shot for another hour maybe, and then we're going to call it a day. I did okay. So, if I don't get anything else, I'm happy. So that was pretty much it. The only other things I got from that last stop of the day was a small escutcheon panel, maybe off a little dresser or something, and a small lock assembly, maybe off the same dresser, maybe off of some other little box. I was working some outbuildings near a different pen field area, so yeah, I'll take it. It was a good day. I got some good digs and I'm happy. While we got you here, by the time everybody sees this, I should be at 300 subscribers. Woohoo! So thank you everybody for sharing my videos, liking, commenting, and subscribing, of course. Congratulations, Beard No Diggerton. You made it to 300 before I did. Him and I are having a little friendly competition. Next stop is 500. I'm going to race him there as well. I'm going to do a giveaway also. Going to start looking for something. It's probably going to be silver. And it probably won't be Doug. I'll find something. Beard, and I'll race you there as well. And maybe whoever gets to 500 first gets to give away something extra special we can collaborate on. Something we can work on since we got a little bit of time. Thanks again, everybody. Don't know what I'm doing next weekend as usual, and we'll see you.